Okay, we're working on our 2007 Vector. As you can see, we got all our flanges off, pipes out, drilled out the rivets, took out the bracket, removed the whole exhaust system. So now we got everything over here on the floor. So this is the Vector Y pipe, which is not bad. It's got some wear on the inside of the flanges. Here's your bracket, clamps, and your accordions with your reusable steel gasket. Everybody asks about the gasket. That is a two-piece reusable gasket. It's two pieces. It's you don't need anything other than just pulling it out, clean it up, put it back in. The accordions with the donuts. This machine's not in bad shape. Everything seems pretty good, except for